Hey Bengal Spotlight, my name is Chloe Patton. I am a senior at Braswell High School and I plan to join the Navy when I graduate. Now, for today's episode, I'm going to be talking about my experience with the Career Center and the help that it provides with getting engaged with your career after high school. So Miss Rhodes is the head of the Career Center. She's always in here. She hosts ASVAB testing when it's available. She sets up the recruiter tables and the college tables outside the cafeteria. And she also helps with future planning. So I took the ASVAB in February of this year, and I have now started speaking with my recruiter. And Miss Rhodes actually has helped so much. She has forwarded all the information toward my recruiter for everything that I need to get from here to there. I have my ASVAB scores and everything. And I just really believe that this is such a helpful outlet because not a lot of kids know what they're going to do after school. And when you come in here, there's just so many different options, and there's different booklets, different pamphlets. You can talk to her about almost anything regarding careers, and she will most likely have an answer for you, and she will help you get you to where you need to be.
Hi, my name is Kim Rhodes, and I'm the College and Career Counselor here at Braswell High School. So what I do is I work with students 9th through 12th grade. I'm looking at their post-secondary goals. So I talk to them, I bring in visitors, we advertise things to get them to start thinking what they want to do for after high school. So some of those things could include joining the military, going to the ATC LaGrone Academy where they will earn CTE certifications and our CTE courses. And I also help students getting ready for college, whether that's a 2-year, 4-year, or trade school. All right, so the great thing is here in the Career Center at Braswell High School is when students come back and let us know how they're doing after high school. We have many visitors that volunteer when they come back from the military with our recruiters, when they are out of boot camp. So it's great to see their transformation from being a high school student to now being an adult out into the world. And we have lots of students that come back and visit us and let us know about their college endeavors and how what we had here at Braswell helped them gain experience and help them have a better leg up after high school. All right, so throughout the school year, we have lots of visitors. We want to offer opportunities for students that are going into the workforce. So we have businesses that come in for employment opportunities. We have colleges, 2-year, 4-year, and trade schools that come out and visit our students during our lunchtime, so we can also expose them to those opportunities. Along with military recruiters, we want to offer a variety of experiences for all of our students so that way we can help them be better prepared when they graduate from Braswell High School.
Bye, guys.